Time is a river flowing so fast. Moments like shadows, never to last. Embrace every trial, let your soul glow. Our love will follow wherever time flows. When I'm gone, I'll see you again. Curtains close, it's the show's end. Echoes linger, a phantom song. The soldier is fearless, but death is strong. Please don't cry, just dry your tears. I'm your angel through all the years. Through the storm, my heart will soar. See you again on the other shore. When I'm gone,
to make the start over. This is the only thing I know.
Sometimes I feel like all I ever do is find different ways to word the same old song. Ever since I came along from the day the song called How My Name Is dropped, started thinking my name was fault. Cause anytime things went wrong, I was the one who they would blame it on. The media made me the equivalent of a modern day Genghis Khan. Tried to argue it was only entertainment, dawg. Gangster? Nah, courageous balls. Had to change my style. They said I'm way too soft, and I sound like AZ and Nas. Out came the claws, and the thing's been out since then. But up until the instant that I went against it, it was ingrained in me that I wouldn't amount to a shit stain, I thought. No wonder I had to unlearn everything my brain was taught. Do I really belong in this game, I pondered. I just wanna play my part. Should I make waves or not? So back and forth in my brain, the tug-of-war rages on. Now I don't wanna seem ungrateful or disrespect the art form I was raised upon. But sometimes you gotta take a loss and have people rub it in your face before you get made pissed off. And keep plugging, it's your only outlet and your only outfit, so you know they're gonna talk about it. Better find a way to counter it quick and make it feel like I've already said this a kabillion 80 times. How many times can I say the same thing, different ways that rhyme? What I really wanna say is, if there's anyone else that can relate to my story, bet you feel the same way I felt. Bet you feel the same way I felt.
when I'm gone, I'll see you again. Curtains close, it's the show's end. Echoes linger, a phantom song. The soldier is fearless, but death is strong. Please don't cry, just dry your tears. I'm your angel through all the years. Through the storm, my heart will soar. See you again on the other shore. When I'm
To
gone,
make the start over. This is the only thing I know.
It was like I was there once, single parents, hate your appearance. Did you struggle to find your place in this world? And the pain spawns all the anger on. But it wasn't until I put the pain in song, learned who to aim it on, that I made a spark. Started to spit hard as shit, learned how to harness it while the reins were off. And there was a lot of bizarre shit, but the crazy part was, soon as I stopped saying I gave a fuck, haters started to appreciate my art. And it just breaks my heart to look at all the pain I caused. But what am I gonna do when the rage is gone and the lights go out in that trailer park? And the window is closing and there's nowhere else that I can go. It flows and I'm frozen, cause there's no more emotion for me to pull from. Just a bunch of playful songs that I make for fun. So to the break of dawn, here I go recycling the same old song. But I'd rather make Not Afraid 2 than make another motherfucking We Made You. Now I don't wanna seem indulgent when I discuss my lows and my highs, my dumb eyes and my uprise. Pray to God, I just opening up eyes later on, and gave you the supplies and the tools to hopefully use that to make you strong enough to lift yourself up when you feel like I felt. Cause I can't explain to y'all how dang exhausted my legs felt, just having to balance my dang self. When on eggshells I was made to walk, but thank you, Mark, cause that gave me the strength to cause shady mania. So when they empty that stadium, least I made it out of that house and found a place in this world when the day was done. So this is for every kid who all they ever did was dreamt that one day just getting accepted. I represent him or her, anyone similar. You are the reason that I made this song. And everything you're scared to say, don't be afraid to say no more. From this day forward, just let them mayos talk. Take it with a grain of salt and eat their fucking faces off. The legend of the angry one lives on through you when I'm gone.
time is a river flowing so fast. Moments like shadows, never to last. Embrace every trial, let your soul glow. Our love will follow wherever time flows. When